The morning grassland seeming like the still sparks of the wind. The droopy clouds above green forests that fill it with the green. Those little fabric brooks perfect for meditation. A sun-kissed roof of leaves that always fill with elation. That little life that makes it actually alive among those whales swimming in an endless ocean always asks us to keep making progression. That motherly love for earth like lances for her cub is not rare, is bestowed upon us as well in those pearly waterfalls somewhere. The flowing water that fills trees with love, that peace that we experience in a river mirroring a flying dove, the bed of the ocean when it gets colored with its reef is populated by the vibrant fishes or painted even more by them. I'll leave it to you to read. The huge grasslands walked upon to travel the miles of migration, the realms of the panda that aren't completely explored yet. Oh, look there, is crawling a little soul insect. From the royal walk of the king of jungle to the fight of the bears in a full crumple. The beauty of the underworld under the water that is difficult to imagine from a fish's eye. Ever noticed the moon has from nest with the sky? Those patterns in the evening sky that change the direction of the most beautiful possession. Don't say it can touch your heart, setting sun in calm water reflection. Exploring the seasons in the colors of the leaves, falling down every gentle breeze. This beauty also stretches to the heights of Himalayas, starting from little isles found after exploring the horizons. The lights of heaven covered in smooth layer of dew of purity. This is called, my friend, nature of beauty, nature of